रैप्टर लेक का जलवा अभी खत्म ही नहीं हुआ. इंटेल इज बैक विद देयर सर्पेंट लेक. अरे मजाक कर रहा हूँ यार. दिस इज नॉट सर्पेंट लेक, इट्स एक्चुअली सर्पेंट कैनियन. So this is a very special product from Intel. It's the next generation NUC. Now a lot of people might be knowing mini PCs, right? Small form factor PCs which offer like desktop level performance. So this is also something similar to that only, but Intel likes to call it as NUC. NUC stands for like next unit of computing, and let me tell you, ये तो बहुत मजेदार item है guys. It offers like very powerful performance. It is small form factor, and best part about this particular product is Intel's Serpent Canyon NUC. This is the first NUC to actually feature Intel's Arc discrete GPU on board, and I am like super excited to unbox and talk about this product in this video. So Intel's Serpent Canyon NUC came in this very special packaging. So the name is Serpent Canyon, right? You can even see like a snake skin sort of design on the packaging. Just have a look at this thing. So cool, right? And let me tell you, it will completely blow your mind when you'll actually check out the product in person. Having a look at the side, you've got the Intel Arc badging over here, and that's it. There's nothing else mentioned on it, just the Intel NUC branding. So let's quickly unbox and check out the actual product. Packaging is very special, opens up like this, and there you go boys. Our brand new Intel mini PC, their new Serpent Canyon NUC comes packed like this. Whoa ho ho, ekdam mast packaging guys. We've got the brand new NUC at the center. अच्छा ठीक है, it comes out like this. So this is a NUC I was talking about guys, Intel का Serpent Canyon NUC. Look at the size of this thing. छोटा गेमिंग कंसोल लग रहा है नहीं, very small, but let me tell you, इसके अंदर you're getting like a ARC का discrete GPU on board and has like very powerful specs. We'll talk about the specs and stuff in a moment. And this is not the actual PC, it's like a stand on the bottom. The stand comes out like this, and this is the actual PC guys, एकदम small and portable. So it's made specially for like enthusiasts, as I've told you now. जिसको भी like they want desktop level performance in a compact portable form factor na, this is made for you. And you're also getting like a tiny portable stand, very nice. You can even place it on your desk also, super convenient I'd say. Build quality is also very good. We'll have a look at the NUC in a moment and talk about complete design and overview also in a moment. First let's see what else we got in the package. And we also have some accessory packets. Wonder what do we have over there. Let me just open it and show you. Oh, ये क्या है? Sticker? Looks like we've got a Serpent sticker over here from Intel. Very nice, attractive. Let's see what do we have in the other packet also. One more sticker guys, and this looks like a skull logo. I think it's from their previous gen Skull Canyon NUC. Anyways, very attractive. On the bottom also we have some stuff over here. Let me show you. Okay. Oh ho, look at the size of this power brick guys. एकदम mini PC के size का है. Very powerful. And if you talk about the rating, this is a 330 watt power adapter guys. एकदम very powerful and solid power brick in the hand. And along with that you also have some other stuff in the package. You get like paperwork over here, just make sure to read that. There's also an Allen key over here to open up the NUC for the storage and RAM accessing stuff. There's a mini pen drive over here from SanDisk, must be for the drivers and BIOS and stuff for the NUC. And lastly there's also a mains card for the power adapter. So that is pretty much it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look at the NUC and give you like a complete overview on all sorts of ports, buttons, whatever is present on this. Then we'll talk about the hardware and the interesting part. Intel's Serpent Canyon NUC has a very compact form factor. In fact, looks like a mini version of a gaming console. Having a height of only around 9 inches and a width of 2.4 inches, this thing is super portable to carry anywhere. You can place it horizontally, vertically, thanks to that free stand that you get in the package, and looks quite stylish when placed on your desk. Now let me just give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on it, starting off from the front side. Over here you've got an hexagonal shaped power button with a nice yellow accent all around it, some status LED indicators, SD card reader is also there, HDD indicator, and a couple of ports which include a Thunderbolt 4.0, audio jack is also there, and 2 more USB 3.0 ports are available. There's nothing on the left and right side, just some vents to let the heat escape and keep it running cool. And here's how the back of the NUC looks like. Over here also you can see one more large exhaust vent to keep it running cool, and the remaining connectivity ports just above that. You get 4 super speed USB 3.0 ports, a full-sized Ethernet port is available, one more Thunderbolt 4.0 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, full-sized HDMI is also there, 2 display ports are available, a DC in port for the adapter, and a Kensington lock. So that is pretty much it. These were all the available connectivity ports on Intel Serpent Canyon NUC. And having a look on the bottom, you've got some details about the product model mentioned over here. And as you can see, this is actually an engineering review sample sent by the brand, not for resale. Also, having a closer look, you can actually see the fans. Dual fans are there on board to keep the system running cool, and also has rubber foot pads on all the corners. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the exteriors. Now let's talk about the main hardware and the specs of this PC. You're getting Intel's i7-12700H CPU, which is a 14-core 20-thread monster and has like 6 P cores, 8 E cores, and the rated TDP is around like 45 watt. Pair that with Intel's Arc series A770M discrete GPU with 16 GB GDDR6 memory, you can actually do like good gaming over here, guys. Even 1440p gaming is possible. Now talking about the RAM, you're getting like 2 8GB RAM sticks in dual channel configuration, so that sums up to a total of 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. And coming to the storage, yes, they did not compromise on the storage also. They went with like a PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and you get like a couple of options available. 512 1TB is there. We have the 512GB edition in the house. And to be honest, guys, this particular NUC is actually available in 2 variants. You can either get the bare bones edition or a fully configured mini PC. Choice is up to you. If you go with the bare bones edition, you'll only manually need to install the RAM and the storage by buying them separately. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. The motherboard used over here is also like a custom made MOBO with 7 by 8 inches in size and has like next gen connectivity options built in. You're getting like onboard Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option also available. And there you go, boys. We have completely set up the PC. It's on and good to go. And here's how it looks like. Very class and minimalistic when set up on your desk, right? And good thing is the PC also came with Windows 11 pre-installed out of the box. Though if you buy the bare bones edition, you'll not get Windows 11. Keep that in mind. Now the first thing I noticed when I booted up is there was actually a hidden display to the side of the PC. Now at the beginning I didn't exactly knew what that was, but later I got to know what it actually does. So remember during the unboxing part we got a couple of stickers. So those were not actually stickers, guys. They were like customizable face plates for the PC. So you get 2 of them available. One was a snake head and the other one was a skull logo. You can actually open up the top lid of the PC using Allen key in the box, and there you go. This is where you can install those face plates, put back the cover, and once you power on the PC, right, this is how it's gonna look like. That is so freaking cool, right? And good thing is you can even customize the whole lighting over here using Intel NUC software pre-installed. That is such a cool addition, I would say, on this NUC. And you can even customize with your own handmade faceplates, guys. It's all up to you. Alright, time to talk about the performance. I know you people have been waiting for this part, so let's quickly get on to that. I've ran like a couple of benchmarks over here and I've already told you the specs, right? So there you go. On Geekbench 5, we got a single core score of 1723 and a multi-core score of 11675. See, you're getting like Intel's 12th gen i7-12700H CPU, guys. 14 core, 20 threads. There is nothing less you can expect over here. Pair that with Intel's Arc A770M discrete GPU. It's a very well capable machine, I'd say. No matter what sort of workload you put on it, either it be productive or gaming, it can easily handle it. And main highlight is that portable size, guys. So just for a comparison, if I had to say, you can expect like a gaming laptop level of performance over here with similar sort of specs. That A770M now will offer you like a very similar 3060 sort of results on this PC. That is what you can keep in your mind. I've also ran like Cinebench R23, as you can see. We got a single core score of 1777 points and multi-core score of 15,715 points. Pretty nice, I'd say. See, I've been using it for the last couple of days, right? Day-to-day tasks like, like browsing the web, running a couple of apps simultaneously. I had no sort of lags or stutters. It was handling it very well and smoothly. And not just that, I even did like a couple of productivity sort of applications over here, like photo editing and video editing also, even at 4K resolution. And this little Serpent Canyon NUC actually impressed me. I could easily do simple 4K video editing over here without any sweat. And coming to gaming, As I've told you, we are getting like Intel's Arc Series A 770M discrete GPU with 16 GB GDDR6 memory, and this particular GPU is not something new for us. We've already reviewed their desktop grade A770 GPU on the channel. In case if you missed that video, you can check out that video for complete details on that GPU. Over here now, this particular one is like a laptop grade GPU, and you can expect like very similar to 3060 sort of results. And let me tell you, you can do both 1080p and 1440p gaming as well. And to show you that, we'll be playing a couple of AAA title games, newly released one at 1440p resolution only. Starting off with our all-time favorite Spider-Man Remastered. As you can see right now, we're playing this game at 1440p high graphics settings, and on an average, as you can see, we were getting around like 70 to 75 FPS, which is actually pretty impressive, especially considering the size of this PC. Like literally guys, I've reviewed so many mini PCs, but this one is the most powerful mini PC so far on the channel. I totally didn't expect this sort of performance over here. You can easily play most of the AAA title games guys, newly launched one, without any hiccup, even at 1440p resolution. But playing older generation games was not offering similar sort of results guys, and there you couldn't do 1440p gaming. There you had to come down to 1080p high level of settings. Again, this is something we already know since we reviewed the Arc A770 desktop level GPUs. One more thing I have to mention is about the thermals. As you can see, thermals were not that great on the Serpent Canyon NUC. With just a little while of gaming, CPU was easily hitting around like 88 to 90 degrees centigrade, just like any other gaming laptop. Now that was already expected because of this compact form factor, so this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Just for your sake, I've also played our all-time favorite GTA 5 game at 1440p resolution, high to medium sort of graphic settings, and as you can see, on an average here also we were getting around like 160-165 frames per second, which is actually pretty impressive for a small PC form factor. And that is pretty much it guys. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Intel's all new Serpent Canyon NUC based on Alder Lake 12th gen platform. Very good PC I'd say guys, especially the form factor, the compact size. It's so portable. You can use it horizontally, vertically, and I also really like that customizable faceplate option on the left side. You're also getting like rich connectivity features as well. On board, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything is available. And finally, talking about the pricing, it's still not yet available in the Indian market guys. We got like an engineering sample directly from Intel HQ, right? But if I had to take a guess, I believe this would cost somewhere around like 1.4 to 1.5 lakh rupees in India. This is again though my expectations. Keep following this video. As soon as this is available, I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below and keep you guys posted in the comment section as well. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to check out something really awesome today. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.